We're going to talk here about a couple of arm exercises, shoulder exercises. They benefit from what we call PNF patterns, proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. So a lot of the time we do exercises and we do it in what we call one plane of motion, right? It's all here or it's all here, but we don't always work and live one plane of motion, right? We move stuff, we're here and there and doing stuff. We're starting the lawnmower or whatever, and it goes through diagonals. So these use diagonals. So the first one, you're going to come here, almost like you're giving yourself a hug, and then you're going to bring the body or the arm across the body and down. And then control that motion back up, down. And this is going to work your shoulder really well. Thanks for spending a little time with us again at Rally to Rise Physical Therapy. We hope our video helped you.
If pain or an injury is holding you back, we're here to help you get through it.
So give us a call at 208-715-8504. If you don't like calling, you can message us on our website, rallytorisep.com, or you can stop by our clinic in person. We're located in Ammon, near Walmart and Cal Ranch.
Feel better, move better, live better.